What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to create or how to make a new Gmail account on your PC or on how you can make this. So let me directly get into a step. So first one, as you can see, I have already signed in to a Gmail account over here, and I'm going to demonstrate you how you can create another one. So to do so, what we need to just go over here at the top once you on. This is the Gmail account over here, and if you go, you can see there's a profile icon at the right side, and you have to click on this one. Now from here, what you need to do is, if you're having multiple accounts, you can switch back between these accounts. But for me, as you can see, I'm having only one account, so I'm going to create another one. So what I need to do is just go over here, click on add account. So that's going to take you to this page. Now from here, instead of writing over here, you have to go over, click on create account. Just make click over here and ask you the question like whether you are going to create for the personal use, child, or the work or business. So you can go for the personal use. Now it's going to ask you your name. So you can just type your name. You can type your name. For what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to type this particular name over here, that is Sony, and I'm going to take Hayes. This is my name. I have to go for next. Then once I have to select the gender and as of my date of birth. So I have to go over here and I have to find August. Then I have to type 12. Then I have to go over here for 1996. Then I have to select my mail ID over here and go for the next. So the mail. Then you have to create an email ID. So which means I have to try whether it is available or taken. For example, Sony Hayes. I have to check whether it is available or not. So if it is available, you have to check whether it might say it is already taken. So they are giving you some suggestions. You can try Sony Hayes 925, Sony Hayes 9, or Hey Sony 516. So I prefer this one, is very interesting. So I'll select this one. So it is actually available and go for next. And once you create this, now you need to create a password. So the password should be strong enough. It should not be very weak. So you have to create the password like it should be strong enough. While creating the password, if you're trying to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, for example, even if I try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if I try to give this as a password, it might say, please choose a stronger password and try a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So this is actually the security purpose of reason they're asking us. So while you're creating a password, I'm going to create a password Sony that I'm going to type it over here. Sony Hayes at 1, 2, 3. I'm going to type it once again. Sony Hayes at 1, 2, 3. So it looks like it is a strong password with upper characters and lowers and numbers and symbols, and just go for the next. And once you create the next, now it is asking for the recovery email ID. You have to go recovery email ID. If anything goes wrong, then you should be getting OTP and all those things. So create a recovery email ID. And also it might ask you for a recovery mobile number. So just give it. And once you give this up, you can, if you want to do, you can skip this over here like this. And it says this is the email ID. And just go for next. And what happens is an email will be created over here. And at the last, once you sign in, this is how it looks like for the newly created email ID. So from here, you can switch in between and you can use it. So this is how you can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.